Good morning students. In this video I will teach you grammar part. The topic is nouns number. This topic is the continuation of third topic nouns gender. Okay. Here nouns have two numbers. One is the singular number, second one is the plural number. Singular number, it refers to one person, place, things or ideas. For example, bird, toy, pencil, photo, lake, river, bike. Next, plural number, it refers to more than one person, place, thing or ideas. For example, birds, toys, pencils, horses, kites, ears, windows and benches. Okay, here one person or thing, plural means more than one person or thing. Okay, next let we see the rules for the change of numbers. The first rule is, when we change a singular noun to a plural noun, we just add s to the noun at the end of the noun. Okay, for example, book, books, tree, trees, door become doors, ear become ears. Here please be noted, if the nouns ending in a hissing sound like is, ich, ish, ix, okay, you have to add es to the singular form. Look at the example, bench. The word bench ends with the letter ch. Okay, so we have to add the letter es. Bench, benches, glass, glasses, fox, foxes and glass, glasses. Next, see the second rule. If you want to change the noun singular to plural, you just changing the letter f or fe into ves. Leaf, leaves, shelf, shelves, half, halves, scarf, scarves, life, lives, knife, knives, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Okay, here also please be noted, some nouns ending in the letter f. Okay, but here you have to add the letter s only. Don't add the letter es. Got it? Proof, proves, dwarf, dwarfs, hoof, hoofs, roof, roofs, chief, chiefs. Okay. Third rule, most noun endings in the letter o. Okay. If the noun ends with the letter o, you just add es to the singular form. Potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes, like. Next, please be noted, if the nouns ended with the letter o, you just add the letter s for changing the noun singular to plural form. Okay, piano, pianos, stereo, stereos, studio, studios, photo, photos. These are the exceptions. Okay, here also these are the exceptions and this one also exceptions. Next, rule number 4. If a noun ends in y with a consonant before it, if you want to change the noun singular to plural form, you just add the letter I, E, S. Okay, look at the example. City, the word city ends with the letter Y. Okay, before the letter Y, what will come? T. T is the consonant letter, right? So we have to add IES with the noun. City, cities, country, countries, diary, diaries, fairy, fairies, baby, babies. Here also family, families, reply, replies, like. Next, if the noun ends with the vowel plus Y, here the noun ends with the consonant plus Y. Okay, this one is consonant plus Y, this one is vowel plus y. If the noun ends with vowel plus y, you just add s. Okay, if the noun ends with the consonant plus y, you just add ies. Here look at the example. Story, stories. E is a vowel, right? E plus y, vowel plus y. So that we have to add the letter s. Joy, joys, valley, valleys, donkey, donkeys, like. Next, see the rule number 5. Some nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel. Okay, if you want to change the noun singular to plural, in this rule you have to changing the inside vowel. Inside vowel. Okay, inside vowel. Look at the example here. O, O, double O. Okay, O is a vowel, right? So you have to change the O in this word. Goose, geese. Laws, lies. Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Woman, woman. Okay, here also note it down. Ox, oxen. You don't want to change the vowel here. You just add en at the end of the noun. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Mongoose, mongooses. Here you don't want to add en. Okay, mongoose, mongooses. You just add the letter s. These are the exceptions. Okay, you must memorize the rules given in this book. Next, rule number 6. If a noun consists of several words, compound nouns, the letter is added to the main word. Main word means here, first one. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Passerby, passers-by. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Here, maid-servant, you don't want to add the letter s to the main word here, first one. Okay, you just add the letter s near the second word, servant. Maid, servants. Stepmother, stepmothers. Close up, close ups. Okay, these are the exceptions. And next, you must remember that the plural of man servant is men servants. Here you want to change the letter a, man, into men. Next, you just add the letter s near the word servant. Servants. Men servants is the plural form of man servant. Okay, next the plural of child is children and the plural of ox is oxen. Here, scissors, spectacles, shorts, trousers, clothes. These are the plural form. Okay, so that you have to use the verb are here. Are. Next, mathematics, news, politics and innings appear to be a plural, but actually they are used as singular nouns. So you have to use the verb is here. Okay, singular form, so we have to use the verb is. Next, some nouns have the same plural and singular form, like scenery, furniture, information, advice, aircraft. These are always used in the singular form. Okay, so we have to use singular verb is. Next, cattle and people appear to be a singular noun, but actually they are used as plural noun. So we have to use plural verb are here, or were, like. Next, figures and letters are changed to plural form by adding s. If you want to change the figure and letters from singular to plural, you just add the letter s here. Okay, figures means nothing but numbers. 4 is a singular form. 4 apostrophe s is the plural form. Q also a singular, Q apostrophe s is the plural form. Okay. Next, abstract noun like love, anger, beauty, and names of materials or substances like copper, iron, wood. These are the singular form. Okay, they don't have a plural form. Next, their ship, fish, dozen, score. These words are same form as singular and plural nouns. In singular we call deer, and in plural also we call deer. Okay, deer becomes deer in plural. Next, cactus, cacti, stimulus, stimuli, antenna, antennae. These are the exceptional cases. Okay, so I hope you all got a better idea on this topic. Please memorize the rules are given in your grammar book. Okay, you must memorize the rules. Thank you, students.